Good afternoon, Turks and Caicos. The general situation for today. The Turks and Caicos Islands remain under the influence of the subtropical ridge supporting fair and stable weather conditions across the islands. Special warnings. A heat advisory is in effect for the Turks and Caicos Islands. Residents are urged to take immediate precautions to stay cool, hydrated, and avoid prolonged outdoor exposure. The weather for today will be partly cloudy with isolated showers possible, mostly fair with a stray shower or two possible tonight. Winds will be east to southeast at 10 to 15 knots, and seas will be 3 feet or less near shore and 3 to 5 feet offshore. The daytime high temperature will be 92 degrees Fahrenheit, and the overnight low temperature 81 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat index is 106 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 7:29 p.m., the next high tide at 4:17 p.m., and the next low tide at 10:59 p.m. The extended forecast. The subtropical ridge will build across the area into midweek, supporting gentle to moderate winds across the islands. Winds and seas will gradually build as a strong tropical wave approaches the area through to the end of this week. The forecast for Tuesday. The weather will be isolated showers possible during the day, partly sunny with a high near 92. Mostly fair at night with a low around 82 degrees. Winds will be easterly at 15 to 20 knots. Seas will be 3 to 5 feet. Sunrise will be at 6:21 a.m. and sunset at 7:29 p.m. The forecast for Wednesday. The weather will be a very slight chance of showers or isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. Partly sunny with a high near 91. Chance of rain is 10%. A slight chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms in the evening. Partly cloudy with a low around 81. Chance of rain is 20%. Winds will be easterly at 15 to 20 knots. Seas will be 3 to 5 feet. Sunrise will be at 6:21 a.m. and sunset at 7:28 p.m. The tropical weather outlook. An area of disturbed weather over the central tropical Atlantic Ocean is expected to interact with an approaching tropical wave during the next couple of days. A tropical depression could form later this week while the system is in the vicinity of the Greater Antilles or the Bahamas. This system has a medium chance of formation over the next 7 days. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Monday, the 29th of July by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Wednesday.